and you can see how beautifully the students are performing and how beautifully the teachers are performing. Even it may be a village also, irrespective of the standard of the teacher and standard of the student, they can learn maths this much easily. So 7 and 9, excellent sir, super. So now see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means 60. This side 3, this side 1. 3 ones are 3. Answer is done. All tables are in our hand only. Why should we learn? Every child can see like this and can write whenever required. Just a practice of 6 months or 7 months. After that, they will not even use their hand. They will keep them remembered, and automatically they will say, why should we beat them? Why should we give so much of homework? So 5 times each table you should write and come, we will say. But still after 5 times also he is not remembering it. Sometimes only 3 times they will write, 2 times the teacher will write. Or the parent will write. Am I correct? Yes or no? Right. So this is the way how simply. Sir, one more. I told you 27 6R. What is that? The 27 6R means I know a technique. I need to write the 2 table, I need to write the 7 table, I need to write the 27 table, and then I need to pick the 27 6R means the shop will be closed. Yes sir. Yes or no? Yes. That's the biggest process. So we should not do that. We should directly say 27 6R. 27 6R means very simple. Already the same technique I am using. I know it is 2 6R and 7 6R. Can you say? 2 6R? 7 6R. 2 6R is 12. Yes, 12. 7 6R 42. And the 2 at the end and 4 added, and this is the answer. Are you understanding or not? Yes. We have designed a math lab. In the market, if you can survey it even in the net also, one math lab, full math lab cost is around 30 to 40,000 rupees. One math lab. How much it is? 30 to 40,000. And one math lab. Not one lab. What we are going to give is, depending upon your school strength. Let us suppose think your school strength is 900 members. Let me take it as an example as 900 strength. 900 students are there. We will give you 30 labs. How many labs?
30 labs.
30 labs free of cost. Each lab contains 85 objects into 30. Why I am giving you 30 means one class will have what? How many students? 30 students. So that every student will get that object. Whenever a teacher is explaining, the student also can do it. If the school size is small, let us suppose it is 600, we will give you 20. What is that? So for every 2 members you can give. Let him do one example, let him do another example. Yes?
Yes, sir.
And in case if the size of the school is even more small, up to 300, which is the least size which we are doing, 300 members, 10 labs. How much more? 10. So 30 is to 1 ratio. What is that? 30 is to 1 ratio. We will provide you the labs completely free of cost. We are not going to charge for the labs. And we are going to provide only 2 activity books for you. That 2 activity books, nominal cost, very nominal. Market cost, if you see, means very less. Nominal 2 activity books only we charge. We don't charge anything from you. We are going to give this free service. And next I told you the training. What is that? Training. So the training is most important. Am I correct or not? So each teacher training, actually we charge normally 39,600 per year, and we are giving it free of cost. Because Vasar has clearly informed that Kashmir people, we want this particular solution. Whenever we are in Delhi exhibition, many schools has requested by, as I told you, for 600 schools in India, we are doing this favor free of cost. Not for more than 600 schools. After 600, we may charge slightly for the labs. But for you people, we are going to give you free of cost. Is it clear?
प्रिया सर का जिन्होंने ये बताया हमें इतना आसान बनाया इसको. हमने भी मैथ लैब के बारे में बहुत सुना था, लेकिन प्रैक्टिकली आज मैथ लैब देखा इतनी आसानी के साथ. थैंक यू वेरी मच. तो इस बार हमने प्रोफेशनल एजेंसी को एंगेज किया है, थिंक साइट प्राइवेट लिमिटेड को. उनके साथ MOU की बात चल रही है, ताकि इस चीज़ को एक कंटिन्यूस तरीके से, जैसे आज ही मैथ लैब का है, कल लैंग्वेज लैब, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप पर हमारी कई सारी चीज़ें हो सकती है. इंश्योरेंस हम करते हैं इतना, गाड़ियों में कैलकुलेट कर रहा था, शायद 10 करोड़ रुपए का इंश्योरेंस प्राइवेट स्कूल की बसेस से बिजनेस आता है इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज को. लेकिन हम सब अलग अलग जाते हैं. ये नजर साहब ने पिछली बार कहा था, लेकिन हमने कहा, लेकिन फिर इंप्लीमेंट नहीं किया. जैसे सर ने कहा ना कि इंप्लीमेंटेशन देखना है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग विद अ प्रोफेशनल एजेंसी ओनली टू सी इंप्लीमेंटेशन हो जाए. क्योंकि हम सब लोग अगर उन कामों में लग जाए, हमारा हर स्कूल के चेयरमैन इतना बिजी है कि उसके पास 24 घंटे भी कम है. इसलिए कोशिश ये है कि हम इन चीज़ों को इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं. और जैसे मैथ लैब 600 स्कूलों पे 1000 स्कूलों तक पहुंच सकती है. अदरवाइज ये कहाँ 1000 स्कूलों तक जाएंगे, तो ज़िंदगी ख़त्म हो जाएगी. वैसे तो एसोसिएशन के थ्रू एक साथ पहुंच जाएंगे. एक बार फिर इनका शुक्रिया, और महमूद साहब का भी शुक्रिया, इन्होंने आज यहाँ पर तशरीफ लाया.
Since
We are working on the implementation of NEP 2020. So it's our endeavor to see that schools, particularly economy ones, are able to help students, are able to implement the national education policy in letter and spirit. For that, since skill development is a very important component of the NEP, we have tied up with a leading mathematics expert organization known as Math Winners to see that our schools are upgraded. They are able to teach math in a simple manner so that math should appear as a music to students. So in an effort to help particularly those economy schools, those schools which have meager resources, so the organization has decided to facilitate the schools by providing mathematical tools, mathematical lab worth rupees 5 crore to see that children are benefited. They are providing each and every support in terms of math labs. Initially, in the first phase, they will be providing this facility to 50,000 students. Thank you.
Yeah, myself Suresh Reddy, I are from Hyderabad, Telangana. We came to Kashmir for the school association, and we are actually giving mathematic labs to the schools, 600 schools in India, and among that, the biggest share we are giving it to the Kashmir upon the Private Schools Association President Mr. Var request. And not only providing the free mathematic labs, we also provide the teachers training, and also we also provide the monitoring system, as well as we nominally charge for 2 activity books. Only the commercials we charge is just the 2 activity books only. The entire program will be a free of cost. Mathematics can be learnt in a very, very easy manner and a very simple manner, right from UKG to 10th class. So any topic we take, right from the tables to trigonometry, can be explained in just 10 minutes. So through practical learning, students can learn by doing, so that the concepts will be clear and also they can implement in their real life. So this program is been exclusively conducted for Kashmir Private Association schools, and we are going to support them for the next 6 years with a strong MOU. Happy to give all these facilities to Kashmir Private Association schools through Math Winner. So our Math Winner product has become super successful already in 5 states. Now in Kashmir also, many schools are going to get benefited. We are expecting around 50,000 students will be getting benefited in the first year from Kashmir. Thank you.